everyone, my name is John L. Calexerio from BS81A. I present the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 online. Cybercrime. What is cybercrime? Cybercrime is the criminal activity that either targets of uses of a computer network. Content. Introduction. Categories of cybercrime: hacking, cyberterrorism, and cybersecurity. What is cybercrime? Example, hacking of computer. Cybercrime is nothing but where the computer is used as an object or subject of crime. Categories of cybercrime. The computer as target. Example, hacking, DOS attack, and virus attack. The computer as a weapon. Example, credit card fraud, cyberterrorism, and pornography. System hacking. The essential, very important step of system hacking is a password cracking. There are both technical and non-technical methods to cracking a password. Website hacking. Automation hackers often resort of brute force attack. These include using usernames and password employing generic password. Cyberterrorism. Terrorism attack on the internet is by distributed denial of service attack, hate website, and hate emails attack on service network. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity providing the different online attack to sensitive personal and business information. Privacy policy. Before submitting your personal information on website, look for the site's privacy. The end. Thank you.